You have chosen to classify all the animals and plants based on the characteristics of the first few animals you find closest to the base. This method will help you find other animals quicker because you can look for the characteristics of the few animals you found. This can also be useful in teaching other explorers, as in they now just have to find plants and animals and put them into the categories you've already created. Another benefit of this method is that you can begin teaching others how to interact with the organisms around the settlement sooner because you have these organisms broken into easy to understand groups. While this method may save time in the short run, it can also lead to problems later. One of the potential issues is what happens if you misclassify an organism. If you do, then you risk a bunch of organisms in groups that either just don't exist or the organisms don't belong to. Misclassification can lead to accidents between the people and the environment. This follows the idea that kinds are human constructions and not part of the natural world. The social construction view of kinds is a view that asks if kinds are naturally found in this world or if they are imposed on it by humans. If you are a nominalist, you think that kinds are human creations, even if some things seem to inherently similar and easy to group together. A realist, however, would argue that the world is already split up into these groups, even if at times the connections seem suspect. In regards to the problem at hand, if you are a nominalist, you see the organisms discovered as individuals, and it is up to us as humans to put them into groups. If you are a realist, then you see the individual organism as pieces of a larger group and think it is our job to find out how the pieces fit together.